Australian 2016 5-cent coin, a special year for the 5-cent coin. It's possible that you think Australian 5-cent coins are a little boring. After all, they all have a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse and a representation of an echidna on the reverse. Understandable, but not true. Also, if you think that 39.2 million of these boring coins were produced in 2016, you would be wrong. 34.4 million of the boring coins were produced, but in addition, 4.8 million 2016 5-cent coins were produced that are quite different. If you find one of these, you have found a coin that is almost twice as scarce as the much sought after 1972 5-cent coin, with its low mintage of 8.3 million coins. There were just 4.8 million of these different 5-cent coins minted in 2016 to celebrate the 50th anniversary of Australian decimal currency. These coins have an obverse that departs from the traditional obverse of an Australian coin. Cleverly, the obverse of this coin continues the tradition of displaying the reigning monarch, but also squeezes in a representation of the iconic bounding kangaroo chasing a star that no doubt represents the brightest star in the Southern Cross. This coin, in my opinion, contains a message to the world. Within its imagery, this message surely states, "We respect our heritage, but now want the world to understand our evolving identity and independence from our founders. We who live under the Southern Cross are one and many." Collect this coin. If you can't find one, you can pick one up for $3 to $4 late 2023.